Zotac, Amazon purchase. Link will be down in the description. If you have a Samsung U, which is this, which I love, I couldn't find the extra pair. I believe it comes with 2 pairs of these silicone. But anyways, these are so worn out. Actually, when I put them in, it twists around. You can see the metal, that's where the sound comes out. And it twists around, and I couldn't hear nothing. That's how it was. And so, as you can tell, they're really worn out. But really quick, pop these off. They're just worn out. Look at that. Put these aside. Good time to clean them. Kind of nasty inside. I cleaned them a little bit. So it comes with 6. There they are. Look at that. Let's put it in frame. Empty. So you got 6 pairs left, right. It's nice and it's not loose, that's for sure. There you go. There's the right side. It's nice and snug, which you want it to be snug, because it's gonna over time it's gonna loosen up. So you don't want it already loose. So that's it. There you go.